Time now for a full look at that weather forecast for you. At the airport, we're sitting at 32 degrees. We do have a little bit of a breeze in place, though, dropping us down to that feels like temperature of 22 degrees. So definitely one of those days where you want to bundle up as you're headed out the door, because this is a look at how cold it actually feels out there on your skin. We're talking 27 degrees right now for Coeur d'Alene, 30 degrees for Sandpoint, Grand Coulee checking in at 31 degrees, mid 20s for Moses Lake, Wenatchee, 24 degrees for that feels like temperature for you. We are continuing to watch as that band that moved in during the overnight hours continues to shift over to the south and the east of the Spokane area. Still a couple spotty showers here in Spokane, but that will continue to move out of the way for the second half of the day, which means drier conditions are expected as we head into the afternoon hours. For tomorrow, our main concern is the possibility for some of that patchy freezing fog on the roadways. So please plan ahead now. That could, of course, slow you down during tomorrow morning's commute. Otherwise, looking at mostly cloudy skies out there for your day tomorrow. And as we look ahead, we do continue to see a chance for some more active weather through that 7-day forecast, but it's looking like our strongest system is set to arrive Saturday night into Sunday. We could see a return of some snow into the Spokane area. Visibility is something we're watching very closely this morning back through Lookout Pass, seeing some slow moving conditions in that way as visibility is set at 1 mile right now. Meanwhile, Moses Lake seeing visibility less than half a mile. We are hearing reports of some slick road conditions in that direction, so please keep that in mind. That ridge of high pressure that's kept us pretty dry and stable over the last several days has continued to shift out of the way, allowing for that area of low pressure to move in, bringing some snow right now to Calgary. You can see pretty good band set up earlier on this morning. That's continuing to shear out at this point in time, but we are continuing to watch for some snow showers back over through Lookout Pass and into western Montana. Keeping a very close eye on those areas shaded in pink near Elk River and Deary, where we are seeing the possibility for freezing rain and or a wintry mix, which of course does mean the possibility for some dicey road conditions. Of course, the mountains continuing to be hit with some of that snow. And as we move into the afternoon hours, you can see that continuing to push out of the way, leaving us with cloudy skies for Coeur d'Alene and Spokane. Meanwhile, back through central Washington, expecting a return of the sunshine over to the Cascades. Snow continuing to fall as we make our way into the evening hours. That will taper off later tonight. Increasing cloud coverage is expected as we move into tomorrow morning. Keep in mind we could see some of that patchy freezing fog out there. Cloudy skies across the board. We could start to see some snow developing over toward Wenatchee during the afternoon hours. That will shear out as we head into the evening and then make a possible return as we head later on into Thursday night. But for the most part, most of us are looking dry tomorrow. We do still have that air stagnation advisory in place until 8 o'clock today for Grand Coulee back through Omak and into Wenatchee too. That system moving through is going to break that inversion out there, so we will expect to see air quality numbers improving as we head throughout the day. High temperatures out there, 39 degrees for Bonners Ferry, 38 degrees into Sandpoint as we make our way over toward Wenatchee, checking in the mid 40s, low 40s back through Cle Elum. Grand Coulee topping things out at 39 degrees, also 39 degrees into Eureka today. Lewiston, meanwhile, checking in at 50 degrees, loving that daytime high, especially for December. For the metro area, temperatures are ranging from the mid 30s all the way to the low 40s. We'll look to hit that 40-degree benchmark here in Spokane today. Again, a drier second half of the day is on the way. Could see patchy freezing fog out there for tomorrow morning, and then the chance for active weather does continue through the duration of that 7-day forecast, with our greatest chance being Saturday night into Sunday to see some snow. Definitely something we'll continue to outline as we head closer into the weekend.